Hey, what's up everybody? The manufacturer sent me this heavy duty 12 gauge cord here for free so I could check it out and show it to you, let you know what I think about it. So I just took it out of the package. It definitely is a heavy duty cord. It has nice heavy duty insulation there. You can see if you look at many wires that this actually is, a nice 12 gauge wire. It comes sort of like pre-stripped, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I plan to use it. So I do like product reviews and things like that. So one of the things that I do is use like light fixtures. I went and bought a couple light fixtures, but as opposed to obviously mounting them places, I like to be able to move them around for my lighting. So an easy fix for me is to use these types of cords to power up my light fixture. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and just show it to you. And we'll see it for the first time together and make sure everything works properly. So just grab a couple wire nuts and tighten these up. Green to green, white to white, and black to black. Make sure you don't have any wire showing there. So, pretty quick, just connect those together. Now I'll go ahead and plug it in just to make sure that everything works like it should. And I'll try not to blind you too much, but you can see just like it should, the light powers up. So, if you are looking for a replacement cord or to do something similar to what I'm doing, definitely a good option. I'm happy with it. It does exactly what I need it to do.